Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Tahoe side mirror. Before starting, gather your tools. You'll need a trim removal tool, a 7mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Don't forget your new side mirror assembly, which should be a direct fit for your Tahoe. Safety is key, so put on some gloves and safety glasses. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient repair. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel trim pieces with your trim tool. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors. There are usually 3 10mm nuts holding the mirror in place. Remove these, making sure to support the mirror with one hand as you loosen the last nut to prevent it from dropping. With the old mirror off, it's time for the new one. First, carefully feed the new mirror's electrical harness through the opening in the door. Align the mirror's mounting studs with the holes, then secure it using the 3 10mm nuts. Tighten them snugly, but avoid over-tightening. Finally, reconnect all the electrical harnesses, ensuring each connection clicks securely into place. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap firmly into place. Replace any screws or decorative caps you removed earlier. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test the new mirror. Check that the power adjustments work smoothly in all 4 directions and that any integrated turn signals function correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your side mirror.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.